Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison lined up for you. We'll be taking a look at two dash cams that are making waves in the market. Get ready for the Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam, going head-to-head with the BOOGIIO dash cam front. Buckle up, folks, this is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with our first contender, the Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam. This bad boy has been making waves in the industry and is a favorite among rideshare drivers. With its dual-lens 1080p camera, you'll never miss a moment on the road or inside your vehicle. Now let's shift gears and take a look at the BOOGIIO dash cam front. Priced at a more affordable range, this dash cam still packs a punch with its impressive features. When it comes to video quality, both cameras excel. The Vantrue N2 Pro's dual lens setup captures both the road and the inside of your vehicle in stunning detail. On the other hand, the BOOGIIO dash cam front impresses with its 1080p Full HD recording and wide field of view. It's a tough call, folks. Night vision is crucial for capturing clear footage in low-light conditions. The Vantrue N2 Pro's infrared night vision and HDR video system ensure flawless recordings even in the darkest of environments. However, the BOOGIIO dash cam front's Ultra HD night vision technology gives it a run for its money. It's a close call in this category. Both dash cams offer a range of additional features to enhance your driving experience. The Vantrue N2 Pro's 24-hour parking mode, looping recording, and optional GPS function provide extra security and convenience. Meanwhile, the BOOGIIO dash cam front impresses with its G sensor, loop recording, motion detection, and superior night vision. It's a battle of the features here. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam and the BOOGIIO dash cam front, and both have proven to be formidable contenders. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Don't forget to check the description box below for links to both products and their current prices. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.